How do successful businesses define clear performance metrics to reward and recognize employees? In small and medium-sized enterprises or SMEs, employee motivation is often impacted by various factors, such as a lack of rewards and recognition due to undefined performance metrics and rapid role changes. These issues can lead to disengagement and dissatisfaction. Introducing the S.P.A.R.K framework, which stands for Igniting Employee Motivation with Structure, Performance and Recognition. This is a comprehensive solution designed to address key issues that lead to low employee motivation. The S.P.A.R.K, Structure, Performance, Accountability, Recognition and Knowledge framework combines proven methods with innovative ideas to ensure performance metrics are clear, leadership is engaged, evaluations are unbiased, and roles are well defined, even in rapid business changes. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to implement the S.P.A.R.K framework in your organization. Wait, are you sure you're exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at how frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.